You are a content creator and you are wondering what is absolutely the best tool to create amazing graphics, maybe thumbnails, Instagram graphics, and so on. Stay tuned because I will show you our absolute must-have for content creation. If you're following us, I'm wondering if you know which tool I'm going to be talking about, because this is the tool we use every single day and I fell absolutely in love with it as soon as I started using it. And that tool is Canva. So let me show you how Canva looks like. So of course, if you want to start using Canva, you have to go to canva.com. By the way, if you're going to want to sign up to Canva, we have linked to Canva in our description, so make sure you check that out as well. So now you are in Canva main site. You can choose between the general Canva subscription, which is free, and with a Pro Canva subscription, which is $11.99 per team member per month. I will definitely recommend to go with a Pro. And in the next video, I'm going to actually go through some of the features that the Pro has, but I'm going to mention them briefly right now. But if you go to the main page, we have Pro right now. You can see how many different designs Canva already suggests you can do. So you can choose Instagram post, Facebook ad, Facebook event cover, and so on. Now, why is that so fantastic? Because if you are doing social media, if you're providing content to any of those platforms, you know that every single social media platform have different sizes for different types of posts. So you don't have to learn it by heart that it's 1080 by 1080 or it's this 1200 per 628. All those odd sizes Canva has for you. And you can of course choose if you're providing something for social media, again, if it's post, if it's story, you can choose stuff for your own events as well. So you can do all sorts of graphics, not only for social media. You can do resumes, you can do presentations, prints, proposals, contracts, everything. As you can see here, you have documents, logos as well, which I almost forgot to mention, posters, everything. So that's what you have in here. You can of course search for designs if you want to, for example, make a resume. That will show you all the resume templates and so on. Of course, nowadays you probably will prefer to go with LinkedIn. So what do you have right here? You have everything recommended for you. So again, all sorts of stuff that you can do. So here you can see all of our designs as well. Some of those designs you already know. As you can see, one design very often has to be in few different sizes. And this is the place where you're going to have all designs. You can of course copy design as well. You can download it, share the link, comment and so on if you want to cooperate with other people on doing that design, and especially if you have more team members. Then you have your brand kits, so you can actually import all your colorings for your brand. You can import all the logos to use them and to have them on hand. You have your fonts and etc. Now there is a new feature that is a content planner, which actually allows you to create a design or choose from designs that you have. Let's say we choose our most recent one that you probably just recently saw on Instagram, and you can schedule it for Facebook, Twitter, Facebook group, Pinterest, LinkedIn profile page, Slack and Tumblr. For now, it doesn't have either YouTube, of course, because YouTube is a video, but it doesn't have Instagram either. But that's a new feature, so I really hope that's gonna come soon. Then again, you can invite team members. Of course, every team member is gonna be paid for separately. You have all your folders, which I'm not going to show you right now because we have all our clients there. And of course, you have few folders as well to quickly access in here. Also on the top row, you have all the templates that you have seen on the previous page as well. You have all the features, extra apps, explore and so on. So that is very quick rundown through Canva. And what I will tell you right now, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create very simple graphic design for your Instagram. But what is absolutely fantastic in Canva is super intuitive. And that's basically it. That is why we love Canva. It has everything in one place. It makes working much quicker. Of course, you can make your designs in Photoshop or in any other kind of platform, but I will definitely recommend Canva. So once again, If you want to sign up for Canva, and I definitely recommend Pro, check the link provided in the bio. And if you want to sign up to Canva, make sure you also click the link down in the description below. And start a free trial, see if you like it. I guarantee you will. And this will speed up your work. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified about our future videos. So, thank you for watching today. Bye.